Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you're still watching the San Jose Olympian Boxing Cup number 4. And now, let's move on to bout number 9. Introducing first, our fighter from the blue corner, representing Team St. Joseph, J.R. Bildanya. And his opponent across the ring, fighting out of the red corner, representing Team Pagara of Baras Rizal, Yon Pagara.
Boxers ready! Yeah.
Once again, your referee, Mr. Cesar Cruz.
It's a rematch between Leon Pagara and Junior Bindana. Last time nata sila ang Timers ready! Starts of our first round. This bout is between Leon Pagaran and Junior Bindana.
Ang side na.
Prepare na po si
Wag.
Jean Chloe Villanueva and Prince Cotley. Jean Chloe Villanueva. J-Lo, sorry, Villanueva and Prince Cotley. J-Lo.
Si Umbay. Coach, Umbay. Nandyan si Umbay. Ah, wala.
Hindi na. Ayaw niya na. Okay, gumibak na siya.
Umayaw na kasi.
Coach decision. Coach decision. Bawi next time. Okay? Partner?
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, during the rest period of the first round, boxer J.R. Brendanya is unable to continue, and we have a winner by retirement, Yon Pagara.
Congratulations, Leon Pagara. Next bout is between Jean J. Villanueva and Scott Lee.
Nak, good job.